to create Google Pay account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create Google Pay account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply download the application in your mobile device. And once the application has been downloaded successfully, just simply tap on open and open the app in your mobile app. And after that, from the drop down menu at the top right hand side of the screen, just select your preferred country like India, Singapore and US, and wherever the Google Pay is available currently. I'm selecting my country, and after that just select the phone number or your preferred email address in order to create your account, and click on continue and select and accept the terms and condition of the application. And now the app will verify your identification through your phone number or your email address, and as soon as it is done, you will be inside the app. And in order to use your Google Pay fully, you need to add your bank account to your Google Pay account. So in order to add it, you will be able to see the option called add bank account at the top of the screen. If you haven't added your bank yet, just simply tap on it and select the kind of bank account that you would want to add into your Google Pay account. And after that just click on continue, and after that just simply enter your bank account details like your account number, the CVC code, and your debit or credit card details and other things. And once your bank account has been successfully added or linked to your Google Pay account, then your account will be created successfully, and then you can use Google Pay account. So this is basically how you will be able to create Google Pay account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.